Hello, my dear viewers. Hope all of you are doing well. So today's ESL company is about RareJob. Is mainly looking for ESL teachers from Philippines to teach Japanese students and our respected company in the Philippines. So you must be living in the Philippines and at least 18 years old of age. And the expected rate of pay is $3 to $5 per hour. So let's have an overview about this ESL company. The minimum payment, as I just mentioned, is $3 and the maximum is $5. They are having a student age of elementary, junior, high school, and college students. Also, a class size one-on-one, and class schedule is morning, afternoon, late afternoon as well. So it is varying. So RareJob's application process is quite simple and convenient. Everything is done online. So there is no need to visit the office at any point of the application. You just accomplish these easy steps. The first one is going to be your registration online on the website, the screening, the passing, the online English proficiency test, and the interview. These aim to measure your communication and teaching skills. The onboarding is the undergo the new tutor onboarding program to help you be ready for your lessons. And you have to complete your tutor profile, submit all your requirements, and then you can begin your experience of teaching on the RareJob. Now let's talk about the other information about this company. So RareJob is the biggest online English tutorial company both in Japan and the Philippines, and we are continuously sharing this information about this company because it is lately growing. It was listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange Mothers market of the high growth and emerging stocks, and also has utilized the power of the internet to connect Japan English learners to English tutors in the Philippines. So RareJob primarily gathers the Japanese learner with the largest number of students. It is also considered as the top online English school in Japan for almost 8 years because the company has provided more than 10,000 lessons and has helped more than 10,000 Filipinos. If you are from Philippines, you can join this company and have a great experience with them. Hope you got something from this video. I shared all the informations and all the things which I know about this ESL online company. Thank you so much for joining me. Support me with like and subscribe in my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends or anyone who is interested to know about the ESL companies and teachers, tutors online to teach any subject, English or any other language. See you later. Bye.